Hi, and welcome to what's new in my Watches Companion version 3.6. So first, I've added a scroll bar on the right side so you can easily browse your large collection of watches. Then in Tools, I made some modifications. So first, I remove everything related to Google Plus, since Google Plus is shutting down in a few days. Then when you do export watches, but it's also check if you have enough size on your memory card to see if it can create the backup. And now, as you can see, you also have a progress bar. And then I will show you how many files are backed up in the total, so you can see the progress. And the same scroll bar is also when you import the files. So you also see the scroll bar and the number of files that are imported in total. What also I fixed is when you do import watches is that you can also now see your internal memory when you were on Android 9. There was a change for it in the API, so now you'll be able to see it. And also some other improvement. So thank you for watching, and you can see the link in the description below if you haven't downloaded it yet. Bye!